Hi everyone! This is part 2 of our video lesson for week 3, day 2. This time, we are going to learn how to answer column addition. Now before we do, let's have a short review in doing doubles plus 1. This is a short review, again, just like the one that you have shown a while ago from part 1 of our video. We're going to practice again how to do doubles plus 1 addition. So try to think of your answers. Again, doubles plus 1 means double the number and then add 1 more. So we have 7 plus 8. This is the same as saying 7 plus 7 and then add 1 more. The answer is 15. Next one, 10 plus 11. The answer is 21. For letter C, we have 3 plus 4. The answer is 7. For letter D, we have 5 plus 6 equals 11. For letter E, 11 plus 12 equals 23. Now for letter F, 2 plus 3 is 5. Letter G, 9 plus 10 equals 19. Now for letter H, we have 1 plus 2 equals 3. Letter I, 6 plus 7 is 13. For letter J, we have 12 plus 13 equals 25. For letter K, 4 plus 5 equals 9. And the last one, 8 plus 9 is 17. Let's have a few more practice. Try to answer this addition sentences. A. 15 plus 3 is 18. Next one. 11 plus 6 equals 17. For the next number, you have 12 plus 4. The answer is 16. For letter D, you have 13 plus 7. The answer here is 20. For letter E, 18 plus 3 equals 21. Next number, 12 plus 7 equals 19. Next one, 16 plus 7. The answer is 23. And for the last practice, you have 19 plus 3. The answer here is 22. Now let's go on with the lesson about column addition going to 100,000. Now for our example, we have 14,375 plus 8,605. The first thing we have to do is to add the right-hand column of digits. Remember, starting from the right-hand column, we have 5 plus 5 and they both belong to the place value of ones. So whenever we have to do addition, we always start from the place value of ones. 5 plus 5 equals, and then after getting the answer, if the sum is 10 or bigger, you have to carry that digit to the next column to the left. So from our example, we have 5 plus 5, the answer is 10. Now again, it says here, if the sum is 10 or bigger, we have to carry the digit 1 to the next column to the left. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, carry 1 on top of the next column. Now 1 is now in the place value of tens. That digit will be added to the next column. Just like 1, added to 7, belonging now to the column for the place value of tens. Add the next column of digits moving left. So again, and also make sure to add the carry if there was one. So we have 5 plus 5 equals 10, 0, put 1 on top of the next digit. Now you have 7 plus 1 plus 0, the answer is 8. And then moving left, we have 3 plus 6, the answer is 9. Now we have added for ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. The next thing we have to do is to keep on adding the next column of digits moving left. So again, 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, put 1 on top of the next column. 1, 7, 0 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. Now we have 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2, because 12 is more than 10, we have to carry 1 on top of the next column. So 4 plus 8 is 12, 2 here and 1 on top of the next column. Now we have 1 plus 1 equals 2. And when you get the final answer, don't forget to write the comma. How do we write the comma again? You have to count 3 digits. So ones, tens, hundreds, comma, and then the number for thousands and 10,000s. The final answer for this example is 22,980. Remember to write and add the numbers according to their place value. Always start with ones place, move to the left to tens place, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and again, don't forget to write the comma on your final answer. Now that you understand how to do column addition, try to add the following numbers. This will be for your short drill. For letter A, add 10,730 and 5,418. For letter B, add 23,427 and 12,516. To continue answering letter C, you have 46,921 plus 20,075. And for letter D, you have 15,812 plus 58,197. Try to think of your answers. Remember to use or add your numbers according to their place value. If you are ready, we can now see if you got the answers right. So again, for your drill, add the following numbers. For letter A, the answer is 16,148. So starting from the place value of ones, 0 plus 8 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. And because 11 is greater than 10, we place 1 here and then carry 1 on top of the next column. This next column is now in thousands place. Now we have to add 1, 0, and 5. The answer is 6. And then just bring down number 1. Also, don't forget to write your comma. Count 3 digits before you write your comma. Now let's see the answer for letter B. For letter B, the correct answer is 35,943. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 3 here and carry 1 on top of the next column. You have 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Again, ones, tens, hundreds, and then place your comma before thousands place. Now let's go to letter C. For letter C, the correct answer is 79,998. Starting from the place value of ones, 1 plus 7 is 8. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 6 and 3 is 9. And 4 plus 3 is 7. Again, comma after 3 digits. And for the last number, for letter D, the correct answer is 74,009. Starting from the place value of ones, 2 plus 7 is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0, carry 1 on top of the next digit. You have 1 plus 8 plus 1 equals 10. 0, carry 1 on top of the next column. Now we have 1 plus 5 plus 8. The answer is 14. So we have 4, carry 1 on top of the next digit. Now for the final column, you have 1 plus 1 plus 5, and the answer is 7. Again, we have to count 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds, and then write the comma for the final answer. So this is where we end the lesson for today. I hope that you were able to watch the previous video from Math Antics about multi-digit addition. Now also, if there's anything that you don't understand, try to keep practicing at home and watch the video again. Always stay safe and healthy with your whole family. Take care and have a good day. Bye everyone!